Hey, it's Tiffany at a different chick farm and orchard, and Charlie, who has been right beside of me this whole time. Ain't that right, Charlie? We are down here in the field mulching our garlic row. Every year we put garlic out. This year we stepped up our garlic, but probably not nearly enough. So I'm going to show you what we got going on. Me and Alyssa were actually just down here and we finished mulching up. So, Charlie, you want to help? Charlie just wants to be held, so there's Charlie. He's a love bug, aren't you? Say hi. Okay, so, Charlie's going to try to climb up my leg. So we've got, not holding you while I've got the camera. He's a little needy today. So, what we've got here is bogatir and Georgian fire. And Charlie, who is very, very trying to get on camera. We have got Spanish Roja, or Roja, something or like that. This next one is just culinary garlic, just good for cooking with. It was a great deal from BJ's Garlic this year, so that's what we got. Well, last year technically. So we've got it growing here. And then our favorite, which of course we got the most of, is music. So, all up and down here. You will see, if Charlie will let me, we have just basically dumped all the garlic, or all the mulch, on top of the garlic here. Now, garlic is pretty tough and pretty hardy, and you can see that there's still a bunch coming through. But what's going to happen is it is so strong, it will actually just start coming up through all of this mulch. So even though we put the mulch down heavy, we don't got to worry about it because it's just going to come right through and push through. So not a big deal. Garlic will persevere for sure. So I've actually got, I will show you. We happened to have the city come through and cut trees down all up and down of our road. I don't know, it was back 4 or 5 months ago. And they were having to make trips back and forth all over to where they usually dump the wood mulch at. And we told them they could just dump it here because it was our trees and some of our neighbors' trees. And so we've got this humongous pile of mulch. So that's what we used today. You can actually see it is starting to compost down quite nicely. There's a lot of white patches in there. We were looking at it earlier, and up through here it's already started composting down, especially over on this side. There's actually a bunch of humongous worms up in here while we were looking. You can actually see a lot of that good bacteria flowing through there, eating all that mulch down. All those little bugs that are good for it. So, good deal. Free mulch. So, that's it. Hopefully in the next few months or so, probably somewhere around May or June, we will actually be able to get garlic scapes off of our garlic. We always raise the kind that you get garlic scapes off of just because we can get 2 harvests off of it. I like taking the scapes, using them for culinary purposes, or you can just take them and dry them, and then I grind them up into powder, which makes a great garlic powder. And the scapes, I've actually got quite a bit of nutrition to them, so they're really good for you. So that's what we like to do with our garlic. But once again, there's our garlic rows. And there's Charlie. Say hi, Charlie. Like I said, he's very needy today, which he usually is when I have the camera out. So, got God bless you all. Have a great day. Like and subscribe our channel and see what we got coming up for this spring.